We got a 2023 G63 sweet ass ride, the ultimate lap of luxury right here. Probably the best Mercedes you can buy, and it's a four-wheel drive tank V8 twin turbo with 600 horsepower. G-Wagons, baby. Everybody loves this car. This is the ultimate four-door SUV, and you pretty much get everything you need out of it. You got luxury, you got performance, you got styling, looks like nothing else on the road, and customer comes in, says the car's not loud enough. So what we're gonna do is basically do a custom catback system for him, sponsored by Borla. Borla does not make a system for this car, so we're making it. We're custom fabricators at G Exhaust, so we can custom make pretty much anything you want. We're basically replicating some of these high-end kits, which usually start at around $4,000 or $5,000. Crazy expensive. We cut the cost in half doing a custom fab system. Right here, what we got is the stock muffler, comes with a valve, and then the dual tips out the back. Pretty common with the G-Wagons. You do have a secondary cat here. We're not touching that. We're going from the cat back. We're removing this muffler, running a straight pipe to one side, and then a Borla on the other side. So the valve control does still work. When you close the valve, it'll go through the muffler, and then when you open the valve, full straight pipe, full Borla. It's gonna be pretty sweet. It's a badass system, and only done at G Exhaust, which is pretty sweet, guys. So stay tuned. We're about to chop it, make it sound like a beast. We got the G-Wagon all done, custom Borla system. Shout out to Borla for supplying the mufflers. We did Valvetronic setup on the G-Wagon. Most systems would be around $4,500, like I said. We did it for half that cost. We did a valve control, we made it more aggressive. We tucked the tips up like the customer asked, and made it look like factory. So you got quiet and aggressive mode, sport, sport plus, and then you got your comfort mode, which is a little bit quieter. So when you open that thing up in sport plus, it spits, it crackles, sounds like this. So we're on the interior of the G-Wagon. This does have the white and black interior. It's pretty sweet with the carbon fiber trim everywhere. Looks badass, man. I mean, if I did a G-Wagon, this is the spec I would like. Got the Alcantara suede headliner, got the Burmeister high end with the speakers everywhere. You got pretty much everything you need. Got the custom floor pads. You see those things? Gee, I need some of those in my car. Pretty pimp. I mean, can't beat it, dude. You got everything you need out of a vehicle. You got some performance, some luxury, you got curb presence. Curb appeal on this car is just outrageous. Everybody wants a G-Wagon. So, you know, like I said, right now it's in comfort mode, pretty chill, and then you open it up, Sport Plus, sick. It's outrageous. Pretty badass. I mean, like I said, G-Wagon, AMG, G63 with AMG key. Just a badass setup, man. I mean, custom Borla exhaust. Like I said, Borla does not make anything for the German cars. We make it happen. We do custom Borla systems on pretty much whatever you need. Shout out to Borla for supplying high quality performance components, mufflers, resonators, catbacks. You heard that. Things spit, crackling, and popping. And yeah, G-Wagon, pretty much done. And if you're looking for stuff like this, you gotta reach out. G Exhaust Davey, G Exhaust Oakland. We're both doing systems like that. And if you're just looking for a Borla system for your Scat Pack, your Mustang, GExhaust.com, guys. Come on, it's an easy. GExhaust.com. It's super easy. You got year, make, and model. Type in all the information you need for your car, and you'll supply all the systems and air intakes and suspension and everything you need for your car. So, G Exhaust out.